In this generation, dropshipping is one of the extremely popular business models for new entrepreneurs. Since you don't need your own physical warehouse to stock or handle the items you are selling, it's possible to start a dropshipping business with just a limited amount of fund or money. If you are interested with dropshipping, then just tune in. To learn more about dropshipping, let's look into this model. So this dropshipping model says here that there is a customer, your store, and your supplier. Your customer buys from your store. Thus, you need to process this order from your supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. This does not only lessen your operational cost, it could also add up to your time to focus on acquiring customers. While it doesn't take a lot of startup funds to launch a dropshipping business, it will require an immense amount of hard work. To start your dropshipping business, then just follow these 6 steps. The first thing you need to do is to select a niche. The niche you should select is something that you are really interested in. It takes a lot of work and time to successfully scale a dropshipping business, thus select a niche or product that you can easily market. If you are not passionate about your niche or product, then you will be more of becoming discouraged. Here are some points to consider when selecting your niche. First, you have to sell something that isn't readily available on the local stores. The second one is you should seek attractive profits. When you are running a dropshipping business, your focus is on marketing and customer acquisition. Thus, the amount of money you spend on advertising a product that is cheaper than the other is just the same. So I suggest that you select a niche with a higher priced products. The third one is to consider a low shipping cost. One of the customer repellent is the high shipping cost. So if ever, just find something that is really inexpensive to ship, as this also gives you the option of offering free shipping to your customers and absorbing that cost as a business expense in order to attract more sales. And lastly, make sure that people are actively searching for your product. I suggest that you use Google Keyword Planner and Google Trends to check some common search terms related to your potential niche. If nobody is searching for what you are planning on selling, I suggest that you change it because you are dead in the water before you even begin. The next thing you need to consider in starting your dropshipping business is to perform a competition research. Remember that you will be competing with other dropshipping operations as well as retail giants like the Walmart and Amazon. And this is where a lot of potential dropshippers go wrong because they look for a product that has a little to no competition, and that's a sign that there isn't demand for that particular product. So there are many reasons why a product might not have a lot of competition, like high shipping cost, the issues with the suppliers, and manufacturing issues or poor profit margins. So what is good about performing a competition research is that you need to look for products that have competition, since this is a sign that there is a high demand and the business model is sustainable. The third thing you need to secure is to secure a supplier. Don't rush this step. Partnering with the wrong supplier can ruin your business, so it's important that you don't rush this step. You must conduct proper due diligence and you need to communicate with the potential supplier. See if you are on the same page, but if not, just move on to the second one, because I am telling you that you don't want to have a problem with your supplier because it will affect your business. We all know that Alibaba has become one of the largest online resources to identify and communicate with potential suppliers. I suggest that you need to make sure You ask a lot of questions and learn what their production capabilities are in the event that your business grows exponentially. So, for example, you already have many sales and orders, so you need to ask your supplier if they can produce such number of products. The fourth one, of course, is to build your e-commerce website. And the fastest way you can build your dropshipping website is to use simple platforms like Shopify. And with this, you are not required to have a web development background to put up your store. And there are also many available applications to help you with the features to increase your sales. You may also check my channel for more applications or Shopify applications that can help you. In the beginning, just do it with some plug and play options, and it's not wise to hire someone to build your store even if you have the money. And once you are established and you have sales, then you can customize your website. The fifth one is you need to create a customer acquisition plan. Having a great product and a website is great, but without customers looking to buy on your store, it's useless. So there are several ways to attract potential customers like the Facebook ad campaign and Google Ads. This allows you to generate sales and revenue right from the start, which can contribute to quick scaling. Facebook ads allows you to place your offer or advertisements directly in front of a highly targeted audience. You just need to learn how to do Facebook ads, and this gives you the ability to compete with the largest brands and retailers immediately. So even if you are new with this dropshipping business, if you know what you are doing with your Facebook ads campaign or your Google ads campaign, then there is a chance that you can compete with the dropshipping businesses that existed before you do. Aside from Facebook ads or Google ads, you also need to learn about SEO or the search engine optimization. And one of the important thing is the email marketing. So you need to learn about that also. So just collect the emails from the start and set up automated email sequences that offer discounts and special offers to your customers, to your potential customers, or for your repeat customers. So this is also a great way to advertise your product without spending your money. Lastly, of course, once you have already put up your store and set up your customer acquisition plan, you need to analyze and optimize. So you need to track all of the data and metrics available to grow your business. That includes your Facebook ads campaign, your Google ads if that's your main customer acquisition channel. So for example, when you are able to track every single conversion, you would be able to know where the customers originated from and what path they took on your website that eventually led to a sale. So it enables you to scale what works and eliminate what is not working. With all of this, of course, you need to constantly test new opportunities and fine-tune current campaigns, which allows you to know when to optimize or shift campaign spend. So this is not where it ends. This is where it starts, and you need to scale up your business. To summarize, these are the 6 steps to start your business. So first, you need to select a niche. The second one is to perform a competition research. The third one is to secure a supplier. The fourth is to build your e-commerce website. Fifth is to create a customer acquisition plan. And sixth is to analyze and optimize. So that's it. I hope that you are able to learn how to start your dropshipping business, and good luck! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, Just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!